What happens after death? Where do we go? This confuses kings, sages, and many other people. But this question was once asked by a small kid named Nachiketa, and he asked this question directly to the god of death. So, what do you think the answer will be? Let me continue with the story. There once was a curious little boy whose name was Nachiketa, and he was the son of Vajashrava. One day, Vajashrava did a grand yajna for Brahmins, and in that yajna, he used to sell cows to them. But instead of healthy ones, he used to send them old, weak ones. Seeing this, Nachiketa objected him by telling, "Hey dad, why are you sending all of these old cows to them? Isn't this cheating? Then what will you do to me one day? Whom will you donate me one day?" Listening to this, he got angry. Vajashrava told angrily, "I will send you to the Lord of Yama, the Lord of Death." Then Nachiketa actually went to the world of death, waited for Yama. When he went to the world of death, he saw that Yama was not there. So he waited in front of the gate for 3 days without food and without water. When Yama came out, he saw this poor little boy and he was impressed by him. He asked 3 boons for Nachiketa. Nachiketa's first boon was he wanted to go back to his world lovingly to his father. His second boon was learning about some rituals. But the third boon was the best of all, and that boon was to know what happens after death. Yama, listening to the last question, told, "Hey boy, even gods don't know this answer. So you ask me gold, you ask me about your kingdom, you ask me about being wealthy, anything, I'll give you anything." But Nachiketa was stubborn and he told, "That is all temporary. I want to know the answer what happens after death. Tell me the truth." So after listening to the question, but Lord Yama had to tell. So he told everything about how to attain moksha, how to get rebirth, and how to do good karma, bad karma, everything. And that is why the information in the Garud Puran is transformed from Nachiketa to many generations. So guys, what do you think? If you get a chance by Yama to ask 3 boons, what would you ask? Answer this question in the comment section below, and I hope you like this. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.